Hey guys, it's Trapper Tony here, and welcome to your worst nightmare. This is by far the biggest cockroach infestation I've seen in an apartment to date. Come inside, let's take a look around and see what we're dealing with here. So right off the gate, you can see on top of this TV stand here, we have all kinds of fecal matter and debris, casings from cockroaches. They've been up inside around the picture frames here mounted to the wall. This is all telltale signs that we have a heavily infested roach unit. And if you guys at home had smell-o-vision, there's a distinct odor from cockroach feces. It's very prevalent in this unit here. It's a first sign that we have a heavily infested unit. Let's go take a look at the kitchen. Make our way into the kitchen here. It's easy to see. A lot of clutter, debris. There's food sources, water sources. This is the perfect environment for cockroaches to thrive. Let's take a look up inside these cabinets and the walls, into the sink here. Look at these monitor boards. They were placed about 12 hours ago. They're completely filled with cockroaches. Check out this coffee maker. Hoo-wee! We've got the Wild West for cockroaches here. We're only a couple minutes into our inspection here and we've already seen hundreds, maybe thousands of roaches. Let's keep digging. Let's check out the dishwasher and stove area.
If you're seeing this up here, that's not a good sign. Look at all those casings. Full of baby cockroaches. Should we open up this door? See if they're inside?
I double dare ya.
Oh yeah, look at all of them. They love hiding in these little cracks and crevices. If you look up close, they're just in there nesting. They'll be all in behind this door. We'll have to get this flushed out. Mature, juvenile, babies, egg capsules, we've got everything. This is pretty advanced.
It's critical when dealing with cockroach infestations to keep in mind sanitation. Sanitation is huge when trying to eliminate and control cockroaches. This could be a simple thing as fixing leaky sinks or tubs. You want to eliminate water sources, food sources, and any unwanted heat. Here we have a fridge. The compressor in the back creates a great heat source for these cockroaches. And take a look at all the droppings here. We have casings, nymphs, dead ones, alive ones. We have our monitor board. Just absolutely loaded in here. This infestation may have gone on for a few months.
Yeah, it's everywhere. Check out this toaster. This doesn't even have a continuous heat source, but they still love it. Look at them. They're crawling all over it. Look at all that underneath. They would be all in these little gaps and cracks. This is infested. Oh yeah, look at them all. Alright, check out this microwave. We know from the back that they love it. They were all behind here, all underneath. Let's see if they've made their way inside. Alright, they've even got some food. Even though that looks very unappealing to us, cockroaches would love that. That's a great snack, high calorie. They would feed off of that. It's critical that you have good sanitation to make sure you prevent roach infestations. Look at this little guy just hanging out right on the side there.
Let's take a look under the sink. There's all kinds of areas where these cockroaches can hide, nooks and crannies where they can find harborage, pressure on all sides of their bodies where they can thrive in. There also may be some water debris and moisture under here, keeping this population healthy and alive. Check out that monitor board, absolutely covered. Check out these monitor boards. They're absolutely filled. We have all different sizes, different species. This cockroach infestation has been going on for quite a while in this apartment.
Check out this one. This one was sitting on the edge of the dishwasher. It's only been about 12 hours, and look at that. They're still all alive. You see all their little antennas moving around. Hey, Trapper Tony, are you hungry?
I could always eat.
Look at all of the cockroaches living inside of this bag of Cheerios. This box was full, and they got right in here. Tons of food. This just allows them to thrive. You see them all running around. This would be a food source for months, if not years. It doesn't take much to feed, and they would love this. Look at all the babies all around the sides. These guys were living well.
Hey Ben, help me with this stove. Let's pull it out and take a look behind here. Woo! Look at them all in this crack and crevice.
They love that grease on the wall too. Even though it doesn't look like much, that's enough to feed cockroaches for a long time.
Cockroaches love stoves. There's obviously grease, food, debris from human food. There's also a warm compressor, a great heat source, a lot of harborage where they can find little nooks and crannies to hide in. It's the number one area we always take a look for when dealing with cockroach infestations. Look at all the deads, lives, egg casings, nymphs. Based on what we've already witnessed and found, I guarantee behind this fridge there's going to be a lot of roach activity. Again, the compressor at the rear creates a nice warm heat source for these roaches. A lot of little nooks and crannies they can hide in. Let's pull it back, take a look, see what we're dealing with. As you can see, there's a lot of droppings here. Different casings. Nymphs, adults, all ranges, sizes, different species of roaches. Even one up on the countertop here. About to drop an egg capsule. Definitely a fight or flight situation in this apartment. These guys are thriving. We've completed our preliminary inspection. We know exactly what we're up against here. It's time to dig in for treatment. We're gonna bust out all the big guns here because this is a heavily infested unit. We want to get total control here. Keep the population contained to this unit. We don't want the population to spread. We're gonna do everything in our power to get this infestation down to zero. Again, I hope you never have to experience this or have this problem yourselves, but check out the next video where we tackle this problem head on, bringing all the tools out to get this problem eliminated. Catch you next time.